Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about csnobs.com reviews, as the website is getting attention of online customer from different part of the world, especially from India, Brazil, Canada, United Kingdom and United States. So let's check out the legitimacy of this website. csnobs is the e-commerce website selling toys, guns. The online store has the latest toy guns from anime series, famous games and more. The store specializes in cell ejection, sniper rifles and shotguns for people of all ages. The store claims to offer the latest toy guns and get blasted for kids and adults. They have the best replica of original guns available as toys for kids. Moreover, the store claims to offer free shipping to customer on all orders. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. They are selling gun toys, dart blaster and gel blaster. Payment methods are PayPal, MasterCard, Visa card. They shared email address and physical address, but no contact detail have been shared. It was created on 20th October 2020, means 1 year 43 days old website. All orders are shipped for free and it takes 2 to 3 weeks for delivery across America and 2 to 4 weeks for international delivery. As far as return and refund is concerned, all orders get a window of 30 days to return and refund. However, customers have to raise a return request within 48 hours of delivery at the email, and the return policy lasts for 30 days. No social media present could be found and owner details are hidden for this website. The positive point of csnobs are different variety of toy guns available. Dart blaster and gel blasters are available. Easy to navigate website. Free shipping on all orders. Return and refund policy lasts for 30 days. Order tracking facility is available. Different payment methods are available. Negative point of csnobs are owner details are hidden. Phone number of the website is not shared. Not active on social media platform. Here question arises as a customer, that is csnobs legit or a scam? As we are checking out all the details that will help us to check out the legitimacy, so we are going into depth as we discuss. It was created on 20th October 2020 and its domain age will expire in 2022. As far as trust index score is concerned, that is average and it is 60%, and trust rank is 58.7 out of 100, which is also average. We found some customer reviews. As far as its phone number is concerned, the website is not shared its phone number and the store is not found on any social media platform, unfortunately. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us in our legitimacy research, and when we are going into depth, we found that customers are not happy with shopping experience with this store. We found multiple comments shared by the buyers on discussion forum, and it says that store seems to be suspicious and shopping is risky. As we know, the store sells toy guns and other products that are available on other e-commerce portal at a fraction of the prices. Some customer didn't receive the ordered product, so the people are arguing other not to trust the website for toy gun shopping. So in our conclusion, we can say that csnobs is an online store selling toy guns and gel and dart blasters for people of all ages, and it claims to offer latest toy guns inspired by different games. But as far as reviews are concerned, they are not supporting the website, so we recommend our viewer it's better to make a thorough research on your own behalf before making any online shopping. Moreover, we are not recommending you at all to shop from this store, and because it seems to be suspicious website. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.